Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you some incredible life hacks. Watch closely, because you won't believe how easy this is. I'm taking a welding rod and a small wooden block. My goal here is to crush this welding rod into a fine powder. I'm placing the rod on the wooden block and using a hammer to repeatedly strike it. As I keep hammering, you can see the welding rod slowly breaking down and turning into small pieces, then a fine, grayish powder. This is the secret ingredient for our super strong repair. To make the powder even finer, I'm using a screwdriver to grind it inside the container. I'm rotating and pressing down with the screwdriver to further pulverize the material. The finer the powder, the better it will work for my purpose. I took a tiny amount of the metal powder and placed it on a fresh wooden block. Then, I applied a few drops of super glue directly onto the powder. As you can see, the glue immediately reacted with the metal powder, creating an incredibly hard and solid mass. To demonstrate its strength, I even tried to smash it with a hammer, but it held firm. I'm looking at a broken radio. The battery compartment has a large crack, which makes it unusable. This is a common issue with older electronics. I'm going to use some aluminum foil to cover the damaged area, making sure it's smooth and even. Now, I'm applying super glue directly onto the crack on the radio's battery compartment. Then, I'm sprinkling the welding rod powder over the glue. The combination creates an incredibly strong and fast-drying repair. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll let it set for a moment to ensure it's fully cured. Once the repair is set, I'm peeling off the aluminum foil. The repaired area now looks solid and reinforced. To prepare the surface for painting, I used coarse sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges and ensure a seamless finish. I'll then give the entire radio a good coat of black spray paint to unify its appearance and protect the repaired area. Moving on to a car part, I had a car part with a significant crack. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. This time, I used a rotary tool to create a V-groove along the crack. This step is crucial for creating a strong bond, providing more surface area for the mixture to adhere to. After cleaning, I filled the groove with the metal powder. After the glue has dried, I'm carefully peeling off the aluminum foil. The crack is now filled and reinforced. To smooth the surface, I'm using a small grinding tool to evenly file down the hardened material. This ensures that the repair is flush with the original surface. Once I'm done grinding, I will use a coarse sandpaper to remove any remaining imperfections and prepare it for painting. This will create a smooth paint-ready surface. Finally, it's time to paint. I'm applying a coat of gray spray paint to the repaired car part, ensuring even coverage. As you can see, the repair is virtually invisible now, and the part looks as good as new. The paint not only hides the repair, but also provides an extra layer of protection. Here's another common household item, a broken fan cover. The centerpiece has detached, rendering the cover unstable. I removed the part to be repaired from the fan cage and used a utility knife to clean and prepare the edges, removing any remaining plastic pieces. I'm going to attach a small piece of aluminum foil to the back of the centerpiece. This will provide a base for the repair. The bond forms quickly, similar to before. I will peel off the foil and use coarse sandpaper to smooth it out. The repaired fan cover is now sturdy and ready to be used again. Here, I have a plastic box with a large hole in the bottom. This type of damage can make the box unusable for storage. I'm going to take a small piece of mesh and place it over the hole, then trace around it with a marker to get the correct size. Now, I'm using a soldering iron to carefully melt the plastic around the edges of the mesh, attaching it firmly to the box. This creates a strong, integrated patch. The heat from the soldering iron melts the plastic and allows the mesh to embed, sealing the hole. After the mesh is securely attached, I'm applying a layer of super glue over the mesh and then sprinkling the welding rod powder over it. This creates a strong, hardened surface that completely seals the hole and reinforces the plastic. I'm making sure to cover the entire patched area for a strong and durable repair. Once the mixture has dried, I'm using a coarse sandpaper to smooth out the repaired area. This makes the surface even and prepares it for a seamless finish. The box is now ready to be used again, with the hole completely sealed. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you find the video interesting, please give me a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Bye. See you in the next video.